क्या आप भी देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Yeah, I'm really excited to be back. Obviously, Hyderabad's my second home, and I'm extremely excited to get out there and do my best, and hopefully score some runs and put my best foot forward. It's just another game for me, basically. I've been, doing a lot of hard work the last couple of months and training as well as I can to prepare for every tournament that I'm in, and obviously the IPL is starting soon, so I'm well prepared and I can't wait to get out there. Well, we won in 2016, so we're trying our best to get better and still try to lift that cup. Obviously last year was a great campaign, led very well by Kane, and the guys played terrific, but we just missed at the end, but obviously we start fresh again this year. Well, every team has their qualities, so for us it's about doing our best every day, and obviously the defending champions are going to be very challenging. They have a good team. They obviously won last year. We narrowly missed out, but obviously we can try and put our best foot forward and go one game better. Our home fans play a big role. We've got great support here in Hyderabad, and all we try and do is do them proud. And with their loudness and energy, gets us going, and the buzz that's around that stadium is fantastic. You'll have to wait and see. I've got no answers for that. They've got their own destiny at hand. They can do whatever they like, and we just introduce them to a few sports because they want to do that. They see myself obviously play golf and a bit of tennis, and they want to do that. So hopefully they want to play some cricket. I won't force them to do anything. Guys, thank you for all your ongoing support. We really appreciate it. Come out and support us as you always do, and hopefully we can lift the trophy this year, and we'll do our best every time we walk out on that park.
Deco Pent Sets. Looks attractive for your bedrooms. Matte finishing sets, beautiful for your homes. Fancy sofa sets, which attract your home and office good looking. Malaysian sofa sets, beautiful and attractive for your home. Malaysian bed sets, a complete sets, which gives a new looks to your bedrooms. World's best PU finishing sets. Dressing table, which gives complete looks to your bedroom. Showcases, gives fabulous looks to your hall. Complete marriage set. Milap Furniture, nearby Tumby Hospital, New Life, Chattaragat. Contact 040 319 06055.